Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of 2023. As we move ahead into 2024, we also want to move ahead in our career and we also want to do best for our career and join the best organizations. But before doing that, we must know who are the biggest player in clinical trial industry, where they are located, what exactly do they do, and are we a good fit for them and are they a good fit for us. So for that, we must understand who are the biggest players in clinical trial industry, what exactly do they do, and what is their capacity or global footprint across the world. In this particular video, we are going to look at not only the top 10 but top 20 CROs, so that you would also understand who are the upcoming big players in clinical research industry and what potential do they have. So this video is for the clinical research professional and also who are looking to enter clinical research field and want to understand that how the big players are performing and in which direction should I go. So do watch this video till the end and make sure you like, share and subscribe. Without further ado, let's start this video. So first we'll look at the top 10 CROs in the world and we will understand that which are the top 10 CROs, what is their revenue stream, what is the scope of activity across the globe, and we would also understand the specialty. We should understand the specialty because it clearly highlights in which situations or which particular industry does the CRO operate, and do they have any diverse role in case in future career progression you are looking to diversify your role. So it is very important to understand all these parameters. So let's start with the first player, and it is none other than IQVIA. Obviously it is one of the biggest player in clinical trial industry, and that is stated by its 88,000 employees across 100 countries. Okay, it is a full service CRO. It has end-to-end service provider to the pharmaceutical industry. It has various services such as clinical trial operation, clinical data management, pharmacovigilance services. They also provide software services. Okay, so they have quite a diversified portfolio, and if you join this particular CRO, then you can have a career full of diversification, full of opportunities, and you can work with the best in the world and understand what is the quality standard in clinical research and how you have to move. So even if you are fresher, then please target the first 5 global CROs and also keep an eye on the next 15 ones, because these are up and coming CROs who can in future become the giants. Okay, so the first is IQVIA. Next is an organization called as Eurofins. Even I was unaware of this, but it is one of the biggest CROs in the world. It has around 55,000 plus employees across 50 countries, and this particular CRO is a full service CRO. They also function in drug discovery. They have laboratory services. They perform clinical trial and clinical data management services also. Okay, the next we have is Covance, formerly, and now LabCorp Drug Development. They have also changed their name again to Fortria. Okay, so this is again the third biggest CRO, more than 70,000 employees across 100 countries. They perform services for primarily they had laboratory services. Now they also work in preclinical, clinical, post marketing, and even pharmacovigilance specialty. Okay, so they even have a diversified portfolio. But okay, next thing is organization is PPD. Okay, so PPD, which is one of the division of the Thermo Fisher Scientific. Okay, this particular CRO has more than 25,000 employees, and it operates across 48 countries across the world. And they also participate in various phases of the clinical trial, which phase 3, phase 4, and management of the clinical trial operation. Next is we have Icon PRA. Okay, so it is a Europe-based CRO. This is also a full service end-to-end CRO, and it has more than 37,000 employees and presence across 90 countries. So it has quite a larger presence, though the number of employees are less, but presence is quite good. So it creates more diversified employment opportunities. Next, we have Syneos Health. Okay, again US based CRO. This is again a full service end-to-end CRO with more than 28,000 employees and a global footprint across 44 different countries. and they are ranked on 6th. On 7th, we have Paraxel. Paraxel is again one of the biggest CRO. Again, they provide full service, and they have regulatory and consulting portfolios also. They have more than 18,000 employees, and they have footprint across 40 countries. Next is on number 8, we have Medpace. Okay, Medpace is again US based CRO. They perform their work in early phase of clinical trial development also. They perform phase 2 to phase 4 clinical trial, as well as they have a diagnostic portfolio also. So that is regarding MedPace. Then again on number 9, this is PSI CRO. So I've recently come across this CRO, and apparently they have a very good presence. They have quality. They are a full service CRO. They are Switzerland based CRO. And in terms of employment, quality of life, they are doing some very good jobs. They have global offices, and they are, I think, according to my research, they are included in around 10 to 15 different countries across the globe, and more than 2000 employees. So these are after the top 8, uh, the rest of the CRO are budding CROs, and they are coming with better performance and opportunities. Next is in the top 10, we have the first Indian CRO, which is Lambda Therapeutic. It is based in Ahmedabad, India. So it is a full service CRO, more than 1500 employees, and offices, global offices across many countries. So in the top 10, we have an Indian CRO. Okay, so in India, clinical research is quite up and coming scene, and we have a lot of study participant being recruited in India. And to see an Indian company is a very good feeling. Okay, so the Indian CROs need to come to the global standard and to compete with the global pharma players also. So it is good to see an Indian CRO in top 10. 11 to 20 CROs. Now, please pay attention to this particular list. This particular list is very interesting and important because these are the company which are growing, and these are the company who have potential to become global giant. Okay, and if you are a fresher, if you are a someone who is just starting their clinical research career and not getting their opportunity in top 5 or the big players in top 10 clinical research, then also give these CROs a chance, because these are the one who has potential to employ you, and who are involved in global clinical trial landscape. Okay, so on 11 we have worldwide clinical trial. It is again US based CRO. It is a full service CRO. It has more than 2000 employees across 60 countries, so they have quite a good scope, and they have their presence in across a lot of countries, even in India. Next, at number 12, we have Precision for Medicine. Okay, this particular CRO is again a full service end-to-end service provider. They also work in various portfolios such as oncology, autoimmune diseases, CGT. Okay, so that is regarding that. On number 13, we have Novotech. Novotech is again a New South Wales based CRO, and they perform end-to-end services, full services. They have a typical dominance in Asia Pacific market with their specialty in biotech industry. Next, we have Premier Research, which is again US based CRO. Again, they have a full service delivery model. They even help in drug development, medical device diagnostics are in their portfolio. On number 15, we have QPS. QPS is again up and coming CRO with a full service portfolio. They have more than 1000 employees across 9 location and 3 continents. So it is again an upcoming company. Then on number 16, we have Syntract. Okay, Syntract is was one of the subsidiaries, or you can say one of the arms of the Syneos Health companies. Again, this is a full service CRO which is located across 7 countries and has more than 70-50 employees. Then we have the EMIS CRO. So it is a full service CRO across 13 countries with more than 800 employees. It is one of the up and coming CROs. Then we have on number 18 is ClinSpace. Okay, Clinipace. So Clinipace is again a full service CRO with more than 600 employees across 23 countries. On number 19, we have CTI Clinical Trials and Consulting. It has more than 400 employees across six locations across the globe, and it is a full service CRO. And finally, on number 20, we have Durham-based RHO or RO CRO. Okay, so this particular company is at the last number 20, and obviously these are ranked based on the revenue they generate. Okay, so in terms of that, you can see right from IQVIA to RHO, we have a lot of options for clinical research career. So if you are someone who is looking to boost their career, who are looking for a newer opportunity, then make sure you target these CROs. Now that you know which are the top 20 global players in the world, you can approach them, you can make a career out of them and move ahead in your career. So I thought a lot of people wanted to know which are the biggest CROs in the world aside from the big five CROs. So now you have knowledge about them. So coming in 2024, make sure that you make smart choices. You ensure that your career progresses throughout that. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that in 2024 we can make bigger stride in clinical research and bring more people into clinical research and provide excellent job opportunities.